Hey everyone, it's Lauren Messiah, and this is your Messiah Minute. If you struggle with sweat stains, like wet, gross, like watery marks underneath your clothes, guys struggle with this a lot, I have like the best solution ever. These things called garment guards. They are like little maxi pads for your pits. All you have to do, so I throw them to the side, is peel this off, stick it in your clothes. You don't stick it on your skin, and these absorb all of the sweat. So by the end of the day, all you have to do is remove the pad, throw it in the garbage, and then your shirt is completely fresh and clean. Saves you a trip to the dry cleaner, and it saves you the embarrassment of having wet stains under your pits. You're welcome. That was your tip. Click down below to buy these puppies, and I'll see you in the next video.
Lauren Messiah.
So, I'm Lauren Messiah. Hello.
Here, I took a oversized Dodgers jersey, which is for a man.
Yeah.
Put a belt over it
Look
and
at
some heels. We have just brought sexy back
Yes, you have.
to the Dodgers. So, you know.
I mean, the Puig jersey has never looked so good.
Like this.